Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to reinstall keyboard driver in Windows 10 to fix keyboard issues and restore normal typing functionality. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu and click on Device Manager. This tool shows all the hardware connected to your computer and lets you manage their drivers. Step 2. In Device Manager, expand the Keyboard section. This will display all keyboard devices currently recognized by Windows. Step 3. Right-click on your keyboard device and click Uninstall Device. This removes the existing driver that may be corrupted or not working properly. Step 4. Click Uninstall to confirm the action. This ensures the driver is fully removed from your system before reinstalling it. Step 5. Restart your computer, and Windows 10 will automatically detect your keyboard and reinstall the correct driver, helping resolve most keyboard-related problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful Windows tutorials.